Good morning, Bali. Okay, so today we are in Pantai Semawang Sanur, and yeah, we will show you around how is the progress because currently there are so many development in Sanur, and behind me you see there are many local vendors selling a morning breakfast, morning drinks and everything. So yeah, and in the morning, like behind me, that's I think that this is small port. Usually people will go off for diving or snorkeling somewhere.
Something like that.
And then yeah, seems like they built something here, a toilet or something, a warung or restaurant. I don't know.
Yeah, anyway, we're gonna go now to the Prama Hotel direction, and we're gonna come back here later having some morning coffee or something, so we will show you all around. Here normally was so many local warungs next to the empty land what is over here. Definitely is much brighter right now, and the promenade is already finished. I mean, the new path is finished already here. However, unfortunately, all the warungs what was here, like, what's the name of this famous warung sign?
Warung Titis, or I don't know, yeah, warung titis, something like that. Like if you still remember that behind the wall, then we normally riding a bicycle here. But now the promenade seems like already finished, the path for walking, morning walk. And then seems like on the left side, it's just remain
empty
land. And I think that the restaurant just already demolished. I mean, like the restaurant owner, I heard from
so many warungs here actually, yeah.
Yeah, I heard from the locals here. So the restaurants long time ago, they cannot build again a restaurant here. So just this area is just will be the footpath, and then bicycle path, and just straight to the beach.
Will be no more warungs here anymore. So
for those of you who has been to Warung Titis to have a lunch, dinner, breakfast or something like that, unfortunately it has been gone.
There's two reasons why it's like that. Reason number one, this land over here, this is private owned land, it's 7 hectares of land, and this land is currently for sale. I found the ad, this is for sale for 1.1 trillion Indonesian rupiah for 7 hectares of land. Over there is 7 hectares of land actually heading up to Pepito Market there.
Behind this wall, right?
Yeah, behind the wall. And this land, 1.1 trillion Indonesian rupiah, equal about 77 millions American dollars, so it's not very cheap. Now you know why it's probably so empty, this land, for so many years, because it's simply like 1 square meter, it's cost you $1,000 for 1 square meter. Square meter is what we are stepping right now. So the prices in New York City are even cheaper right now. In Manhattan, I was checking. So I don't know why it's like that. This is probably the reason why it's empty. And no, there is no construction of the hotel. Like somebody said last time, there is actually nobody own this hotel. I mean, private owned, and nobody bought this yet. The warungs also cannot be here because this land is public, actually on the beach, right? On this side where we are walking, right?
No more local warungs.
No more local warungs, and because simply they were no register. They were like temporary warung just because somebody waiting when somebody gonna buy the land already for 50 years. Nobody got this, so the warungs looks like they are already here for long. But there was like temporary warung, so they were never registered, they were never like official here. That's why they're not gonna get any kind of recompensation. Sad story, but that's how
we feel truly sorry for the local warung owners, but this is how it is. Actually, business in Bali, I can say.
Yeah, there is the sign about what line you should use to walk. So on our line, on new one, is walking. Entrance to the Pura Sanur Hotel. Looks also a little brighter than last time, I could say, and even quite many pedestrians today, this morning. Pura Sanur Hotel, for everyone who are missing this place. They make it actually quite wide promenade here, I could say.
Oh, now they just opened the, what is it called, the roof, right? It was, like with the roof, like a permanent roof, but now they just take off the roof and then they put it like umbrellas.
Yeah, looks definitely much better. Regarding the walking and driving bicycle, this line is for the bicycle, this line is for walking, but it seems like, yeah, this is how it is. Anyway, situation in the hotel. So anyway, the path is finished there where is the hotel, and here seems like they left, how does it look like, with sand. But this is maybe because of this nice small coconut trees or something, palm trees, I'm not sure. Anyway, we're gonna hit now to the Prama.
So in between Puri Santrian and Prama Hotel, there are still many local warungs that seems there is only one open, and then the rest, I don't know, seems already long time ago gone bankruptcy. You see the restaurant in this building seems like already a broken building. I don't know, maybe once they furnish it, but seems like already
Gone for a long time.
yeah. And then yeah, like this one, Bobby's restaurant, is also, you know, closed.
Anyway, this is behind us is the famous Prama hotel in Sanur, and that was the quite old hotel, very popular, especially through the families who travel to Bali, wanna stay here. Unfortunately, this wing is totally closed today.
Okay, so seems like, I don't know, the hotel's open or not, I don't know.
Hotel is
actually.
open, but only the one wing. Long time ago, we actually had a day pass there, maybe if you remember. And Coco Bamboo restaurant, or whatever it's called, bamboo restaurant, is open, but after that not much is happening here. The bamboo restaurant is actually opening right now. It's not open for breakfast, it's just open for chill. Well, anyway, situation on the beach today in Sanur looks like this, pretty quiet, I could say. Some people walking around, and Prama Sanur for everyone who are missing the area breakfast situation, also only few people. All right, after walking in the morning, it's actually 8:30 at morning, but it's so hot. Yes, it's really hot in Bali nowadays. What do you have, Sarah?
Cheers, guys. So I have a hot tea, just like my morning breakfast. And then I've got this one, pisang rebus.
What is pisang rebus?
Boiled banana.
Why is boiled?
Just I didn't want to eat the pisang goreng. There is no pisang goreng, so
Okay.
I just choose boiled banana.
All right.
And then this one, my snack. I don't know what is it. It's like, let's see.
Yeah, anyway, we are sitting in the very local warung here with the lady behind and the others few warungs here. Nice place, local vibe. The only warungs what left in this area still, yes, Saya.
Yeah.
So facing this one, there is no more warungs. That's what we explained already. And here still few warungs left. And there will be so many construction. What we mentioned at the beginning of the video. How is your snack?
Cheers, nice.
So much snack.
My morning breakfast.
There is also even Saturday. So many divers coming nowadays to this beach. That's actually a surprising fact, but that's nice. Happy to see. And yeah, the parking situation, also divers waiting. Summer here, Nico dives, cool. It's many changes in Sanur nowadays, and the construction, big construction site everywhere.
Alright guys, so this is how Pantai Semawang Sanur in the morning. I know Sanur again, but this is how it is, our morning walk.
Not Sanur again. Sanur is the best place in Bali, so we will be more.
Yeah, so this is our daily life, you know, like in the morning.
We are living in Sanur, so it's Sanur again. What do you expect?
Okay guys, thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow.